how to install Roblox on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Roblox on Windows 11 using Microsoft Store. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, click on the Start menu and simply open the Microsoft Store. And here, once you are inside the Microsoft Store, simply search for the game with the help of search bar which can be seen at the top. And here, once you search for the game, you can see the Roblox game at the top. So just click on it, and after that, once you see the interface like this, simply tap on the get button to download it. And here, once you click on that, Roblox will begin downloading and installing on your PC. And once it's installed, you can just click open to launch Roblox. And here you'll be asked to log in and sign in if you haven't already. And that's it. Now you can explore and play thousands of games right inside Roblox on your Windows 11 device. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.